Hey everybody, 404 Yeti here. So really quick, I'm going to do the next challenge for today, which is Cheesy Does It again, but this time we're going to look at SQL injection. So I'm going to run through this just a little quickly, just because I have a lot of things to do today. So what we can do is we can try to like log in, just kind of something random. Okay, we just want to activate the endpoint. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go back into Kaido, and we're going to look here at this endpoint. So we'll pull this up and we'll say, okay, hey, we have username and password, API login. This was a bad request. Okay, so this is great. This is exactly what we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to send this to the replay and we're going to perform a SQL injection. So what SQL injection is using some SQL commands to try to break out of the parameters, maybe search for something. Okay, so in our case, we're going to put it in the password field. So we're going to use a single quote and we're going to put or 1 equals 1. So now we're breaking out of parameters with a single quote, and we're using the command or, which is to search for something, and then 1 equals 1, which logically that means that it's true. So in this case, if this works, it should log us into something, so search for something, and come back with a positive request. So let's hit send. Okay, so very easy challenge. It already gave us the bug. Our flag, welcome back admin, and it was a 200 OK. So we can see that this website was definitely vulnerable to SQL injection. We can definitely do other ways to test right away, but for me, I'm trying to run through this really quick, that was the best way. So best thing we can do as well is we can also copy this and we can actually try to log in with it. So let's go back and we're gonna check that out. So we're going to say, okay, I'm gonna throw this in here, and then it should log us in. All right, it does. So if we look at it, we see that this is indeed the admin. And if we look at this extra thing that we normally don't see in regular users, we do see the admin dashboard. We can see orders, emails, stuff like this, right? Okay, so guys, this was the BugForge challenge for 3/30/2026 and the Cheesy Does It web app. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for checking us out, and we'll see you in the next video.